about 10 minutes ago at 1:30 p.m. we detected 6,500 put options on Palantir today, October 30th. And so in this video, we will analyze what this could mean for Palantir, especially since this week on November 2nd, before the market opens, Palantir will be reporting earnings. Now, before we get into the analysis, I wanted to point out that our last Palantir video was done on this day, October 10. You can see this right here. And on this day, the video was about these 12,000 put options on Palantir, when we predicted that it would go down. And you can still search for this video. This is the title here. It's still on our channel. You can see it here. We'll also put a link at the top here. If you have info cards turned on, you can also watch it, because we were able to predict this down move. As you can see, ever since that video, it has gone down. And you can see also that the value of these options, this was the November 17, 18 strike puts. You can see how much they're worth now. Look at that. So they're worth somewhere about $350 each. Okay, so that's our position here, the POS. And you can see that the profit is, on the analysis here, $185 per trade, because we initially paid $170 as shown on that October 10 video. And that's why the profit is showing up as 180, about 185 now. Okay, and 185, you can divide that by the 170, and you can see that the percentage profit here is about 108% here. Okay, so this is another example of how the analysis that we do, very predictive, and we can trade using this type of data to become very profitable. Okay, so let's get to these put options that were done today. March 2024, 12 strike puts, right? We can see the puts here. They're 12 strike, March 2024, and they paid $116 each. So a preliminary calculation of the value of this trade, $116 each times 6,500 contracts, is about $754,000. Okay, so not as much as the trades that we typically share exclusively with our members only, because those are valued over $1 million, because those trades are usually more accurate, but still significant. If you are interested in our membership trades, click the join button on our channel homepage to learn and to get access immediately to our member trades on the stock picks that we choose and the stock picks option strategies that we use to trade, because we don't always use the same ones. Here is the 12 strike puts for today, March 2024's. You can see here that the volume of those 6,000 is over here. However, notice that the open interest here is 20,000. So this is greater than those 6,000. So it's possible that they could be buying these to close, and that is not necessarily bearish anymore. Okay, they're not necessarily bearish if they're going to be buying them to close, because they could have sold these originally to open, and then now they're buying them to close. So it's not necessarily a bearish trade like this. So it could actually be bullish. So that's also why it's very important to analyze this data more carefully. And if you are interested in this. You can also join by subscribing as well, where we share some updates on these trades that are valued less than $1 million. You can hit the bell icon. You'll be notified of any further updates on this type of data. If there's anything that comes up with Palantir before earnings, we'll let everybody know. And so comment below what you think will happen to Palantir for earnings. Do you think it'll continue to go down since we are on this short-term downtrend? And comment if you think it'll go up. Make sure to watch this video. We'll put a link of this video, October 10, where we made 108% so far. Over here, you can take a look at that video to learn more on our strategies. And smash that like button. Take care, everybody. Good luck, as usual.